I'm Lydia, and today I'm going to draw with you a dolphin. It's easy and fun to draw. I hope you like it. Okay, so as you see, I got a sheet of paper, one pencil, and this much coloring pencils. There's dark grey, aqua, silver. We don't need very silver, but a little bit dark grey and light grey. We also need a light blue for the water. Okay, so we first start at the head. We bring it down to the nose and cover it like a face. Now we do the eyes like this. And you can use the fine liner or a marker to go over it. And you need the smile, like the nose. Okay, so we have to bring this over here, and from the edge you do small that. Now you connect it to the end to get ready for the tail. Now we have to do the other tail. So from the other one, you have to curve it down again. And you stop at the quarter up. You do a small flipper. And another one inside. Now you connect the line. Keep on going until you stop from here. Do a big wing tail like that. Okay, now we are going to do the small one. The small one is about this one. We start for the head again. Curve it like the same and join it here. The smile and the eyes. Now what we do it the same, but this one a bit smaller. You do the shape like a crescent, bring it down. And then connect the line to the bottom and connect the other line. Stop and do a small one, another one. Go back to where they're both kind of like the same. You do two kind of crescent tail. Now we can color it. It's easy. Just need these three colors to do the body and the blending on top and on the flippers, tail, and you can draw some water like this. Just use this, that, and you can draw some little raindrops over it. And these small ones are using this and that to cover it together. So I'm going to draw some water on the other one as well. Right, okay, let's start coloring. this is what it looks like in the end. So for these flippers and the tail, we just need this kind of dark one and a light one. Just need a dark grey and a light grey. So you need a dark grey first to color the bottom and a light grey to color on the top. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching how to draw a dolphin. Bye.